may mga significant changes. Ano? Mas nagiging, siguro, isa na dyan, mas nagiging sophisticated ang devotion. Marami na tayong nagawang prayers, marami na tayong images na kalat na because everybody wants to have a little image. Sophisticated in a sense na kahit sa video, katulad ng ginagawa natin, we can now pitch this devotion. We can now reach all the people around the world through internet na nandyan yung prayer, yung novena. However, with that sophistication, meron namang tendency to commercialize it. Like, nagiging source na ito ng pera, may mga tao na they take advantage of the devotion. Maraming mga nangyayari dito sa Naga na minsan nawawala na yung devotion. In exchange of money, may mga companies na nagbebenta ng hindi naman kailangan sa devotion, hindi naman makakatulong. So, iyan ang ikinakalungkot natin. Just like whenever we have the Christmas, nawawala na si Ninyo, nawawala na si Jesus Christ, napapalitan na ng regalo ng pagkain, which is to be guarded from. Na hindi natin kailangan mawala. We should not lose that devotion, because that's the real and the essential and important thing during Peña Francia. Huwag yung mga hindi tama na nakakasira sa ating pananampalataya.
So,